This tiny thing could destroy the entire planet, and no one talks about it. Are you ready? Here goes nothing. If you've ever seen a nuclear power plant, you know that they're pretty huge. They take up a lot of space. But if you want to generate a tremendous amount of power, they're actually one of the smallest options out there. For example, the largest reactor in the world is just 680 feet across. That's smaller than the Empire State Building. And the most powerful reactor out there is only 1,300 feet across. That's about the length of 2 American football fields, but those are tiny compared to this. A star that is around 20 times the size of our sun could fit inside of Earth's core, and we could harness the power of that star to generate over 10 billion nuclear bombs worth of energy. There are roughly 8 billion people on the planet right now, so we could give each person 1,250 bombs worth of energy. And even though that sounds like a lot, it's actually not even close to the true power out there. Here's something that's truly terrifying. This is the edge of a black hole that's around 300 times the size of our sun. To put that in perspective, if you took all the matter in the observable universe and compressed it into a black hole, it would only be about 1 inch across. And even though black holes are really far away from us, they're still a serious threat. If a black hole that is around 10 times the size of our sun were to form in our solar system, it would be big enough to completely destroy Earth. But black holes aren't just some distant, scary thing. They're a natural phenomenon that's happening all the time. All the matter in the universe is being pulled towards the center of the universe at one of these black holes, and we don't have the technology to move it out of the way. So what does this mean for us? First of all, it means that we should be grateful that we live in a universe that's full of so much matter. If there was less matter, there would be less gravity, and the universe wouldn't be able to form the stars and planets that we need to survive. But it also means that we should be careful. If we ever get too close to a black hole, it could destroy us. So the next time you look up in the sky, remember that there's a lot more out there than meets the eye, and some of it could be really dangerous. Thanks for watching.